Where does most of the energy that we use come from? Well, look no further than that giant golden sphere in the sky, the sun. The sun is a natural resource of energy. A natural resource is anything that's found in nature that can be used by living things. The sun also happens to be a renewable resource. A renewable resource is one that cannot be used up. Instead, it's replenished so that it can be used again. The Earth gets a constant supply of energy from the sun, so that makes the sun's energy a renewable resource. We call the energy that we get from the sun solar energy. In its simplest form, we use the energy from the sun for things like drying clothes and sometimes cooking food. Humans have also figured out how to use energy from the sun to create electricity to power everything from string lights in the garden to entire buildings in big metropolises. But the sun is not the only renewable source of energy. Wind and water are also renewable resources, and they can both be used to generate energy. First, let's look at how wind is used to generate energy. Well, the blades of the wind turbines are turned by the power of the wind, which then creates electricity. And we can use water in a similar way to generate power. Hydropower is power generated from moving water. Just think about how powerful a waterfall can be, or the sea waves. Hydropower uses the power of water to create electricity. Water is pushed through wheels called turbines. A generator is connected to the turbines. The spinning turbines cause the generator to spin, which, you guessed it, converts the energy from the flowing water into electricity. Those three renewable resources are pretty amazing.
Open the gates!
Some of the natural resources people use are non-renewable. A non-renewable natural resource is a resource that is not able to be replenished by nature at the rate in which they are being used. Fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas are non-renewable. Coal is a fossil fuel that is found beneath the surface of the earth. To get coal, a mine needs to be constructed. This can cause large and wide-scale changes to the environment. Trees and plants are removed to make way for the mine and the network of roads needed to transport people and coal out of the mine. A major impact of coal mining is habitat loss. This occurs when human changes to the environment result in there being insufficient resources for organisms to survive. Some animals may move to a new suitable habitat. Most organisms, however, will die. To get natural gas and petroleum, people must drill deep into the Earth's surface. Sometimes chemicals are used to pump the fuels from the Earth. These chemicals can pollute the land. Land and water pollution can also occur when the fossil fuels spill into the natural environment. The burning of fossil fuels has another impact on the Earth: air pollution. The emissions released into the air when fossil fuels are burned are harmful to organisms, including people. The emissions also include greenhouse gases that trap solar radiation in the atmosphere and increase the rate at which the Earth is warming, a process called human-induced climate change.